Hey, this is Steve Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com, and you're on my YouTube page. And let me just tell you what this page is all about, because this is going to be different than anything that you ever seen, because you're actually dealing with someone who deals with thousands of customer files that with various problems that they go through when it comes to credit repair and debt collections. We do the work. This is not any theory. We're not going off of books and tapes and just regurgitating it. I'm telling you things that are going on with customers in my office. So you want to subscribe to my page and watch the videos. I'm going to be posting tons of content videos. You don't have to buy anything. I'm going to tell you exactly what we do for our clients. So on this page, we're going to talk about credit repair, how to repair your credit. We're going to talk about debt collections. We're going to talk about summons, like if you get a summons to go to court, what to do so you don't have to be afraid. I'm going to tell you the solutions on those. I'm going to tell you how to deal with debt collection letters that come in the mail, how to get out of them. I'm going to tell you about 1099-C. If you ever had debt forgiven and they sent it to the IRS, I'm going to tell you what to do about those. I'm going to even give you a list of debt buyers. I get a list of debt that is put into the market for debt buyers to buy every week. They send it to me as millions of dollars worth of bad debt. I'm going to tell you about it being released so you can be prepared just in case you had a loan that went bad with one of these companies, or a payday loan, or a mortgage, or a credit card, or a student loan, any of those. I get all types of debt. We're going to talk about medical debt, what to do with medical debt. And then one of my most favorite parts of what I do is the mindset and motivation, about having you think positive so you can get into the right mindset of moving forward every day, not just some of the time. I'm talking about all of the time. And then we're going to also talk about making money. I own several businesses, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I do to make money in those businesses. And maybe you're looking at an opportunity and you want to get my opinion on if you should move forward or how you should move forward in that opportunity. You'll be able to do that for me also. So subscribe to my YouTube page right now. It is going to be different than anything that you're seeing online. Thank you.